Hello everyone. Today we will discuss temperature adaptations. Temperature adaptations. So the temperature adaptation in animals three types. Temperature adaptation in animals three types. Temperature adaptations in animals three types in animals. So the temperature adaptation in animals three types. First one behavioral. Behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations. Next one, morphological and anatomical adaptations. Morphological and anatomical adaptations. Anatomical adaptations. Morphological and anatomical adaptations. Next one, third one, physiological adaptations. Third one, physiological adaptations. Physiological adaptations. So the temperature adaptation in animals three types. First one, physiological adaptations. First one, behavioral adaptations. Morphological and anatomical adaptations. Third one, physiological adaptations. Third one, physiological adaptations. First one, behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations. First one, behavioral. Behavioral adaptations. So the behaviorally, so the temperature adaptations. So the behaviorally, so the desert lizards, so the desert lizards, they maintain the body temperature, maintain the constant body temperature, maintain constant body temperature. Maintain constant body temperature. Desert lizards, they maintain constant body temperature. So the decreasing the body temperature. So the decreasing the body temperature, that time, so they are the basking. So the bask means the lizards, the body temperature is decreases. The lizards body temperature is decreases. That time, so these lizard come to the outside. So they exposing to the sun. So the body temperature decrease. That time lizard come outside. So they are exposing to the sunlight. So the after body temperature is increased. So they are go to the own places, go to the outside the sun. So they are called as basking. So they are maintain the body temperature. Once revise. So the behavioral adaptations means, so the desert lizards, they are maintain the constant body temperature. So the body temperature decreasing time, so they are come to the exposing to the sunlight. So after few minutes, so the body temperature is increases. So the after body temperature rising, so they are go to the own places. So they are called as basking. So they are a behavioral adaptations. These are the behavioral adaptations. Next one, second type, morphological and anatomical adaptations. Second one, morphological and anatomical adaptations. Morphological and anatomical adaptations. Anatomical adaptations. Morphological and anatomical adaptations. So the morphological adaptations means aquatic seals. So the aquatic mammals like seals, organisms, seals. So the aquatic seals are aquatic mammals. So they are the fat layer. They are formation of the blubber. The fat, the below the skin, the fat, they formation of blubber. Blubber. So this blubber, so they are presenting on the below the skin. Below the skin, the fat layer, they formation of the membrane like structure. So these are called as blubber. So these blubber, they helps from the prevention of loss of heat. So this blubber helps from the prevention of loss of heat. Prevention of loss of heat. Prevention of loss of heat. So they are called as morphological adaptation. So the morphological adaptations like aquatic seals, the skin below the skin, the fat layer, the formation of blubber, formation of membrane. That membrane is called as blubber. So these blubber, these helps from the prevention of loss of heat. Prevention of loss of heat. So they are the morphological adaptations. Next one, anatomical adaptations. Anatomical adaptations. So the Bergman's rule and Allen's rule. First one, Bergman's rule. Bergman's rule. Bergman's rule and one of the Allen's rule. Next one, Allen's rule. First one, Bergman's rule. So according to the Bergman's rule, so the body surface area is less comparing to the body volume ratio. Body surface area. Body surface area is less comparing to the body volume ratio. Body volume ratio. Body volume ratio. Body volume ratio. So the body surface area is less than the body volume ratio. So this body or more body mass more body mass so they are helps from the production of heat. So more body mass helps from the production of heat. So these are helps from the cold regions. So the cold areas living animals. So the cold regions, the animals, the cold regions living animals, the body ratio, body surface area less than the body volume ratio. So these more body mass, so they are helps from the production of the heat. So these are surviving the cold areas. Surviving the cold areas means like all the warm-blooded animals. All warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals means so they are the maintain the constant body temperature. Maintain the constant body temperature. So they are called as warm-blooded animals. So in this warm-blooded animals, body mass is more. Body mass is more. Body size is large. So these large body size, so they are helps from the production of heat. Production of heat. So these animals living in cold regions. The body mass, production of heat. So these heat helps from the animals living in cold regions. Next one, Allen's rule. Next one, Allen's rule. Allen's rule. So according to the Allen's rule, so the animals living in cold regions, that animals that short tail. Next one, ear pinna, ear pinna, ear pinna, and short limbs, and short limbs, short limbs. So these are helps from the loss of heat. These are helps prevention of loss of heat. These are prevention of loss of heat. So they are called as Allen's rule. According to the Allen's rule, so the animals, the cold regions living animals, so they are presenting on the short tail, earbuds, and short limbs. So these are helps from the prevention of loss of heat. Prevention of loss of heat. So they are the Allen's rule. So they are Bergman's rule and Allen's rule. Next one, third one, physiological adaptations. Third one, physiological adaptations. Third one, physiological adaptations. Physiological adaptations. Physiological adaptations. So the physiological adaptations means, so they are the physically, so they are adaptations of the temperature. So they are the various types. First one, conformers, conformers. Next one, regulators, regulators. Next one, partial regulators, partial regulators, conformers, regulators, partial regulators. Next one, partial regulators. Fourth one, migration, migration. Fifth one, suspend life activities. Suspend life activities. Next one, sixth one, diapause. Sixth one, diapause. So they are the physiological adaptations: conformers, regulators, partial regulators, migration, suspend life activities, and diapause. So they are the physiological adaptations. First one, conformers. First one, conformers. First one, conformers. First one, conformers. Conformers. So the conformers means, so the animal, for example, so these are the one animal. So they are the one animal. So these animal, so the environmental temperature, for example, environmental temperature 10 degrees centigrades. So these animal body temperature 10 degrees centigrades. So the animal environmental temperature 15 degrees centigrades. So these animal body temperature 15 degrees centigrades. So the animal environmental temperature 20 degrees centigrades. So this body temperature 20 degrees centigrades. So these are called as conformers. Conformer means, so they are the equal to maintain the environmental temperature. So the environmental temperature is changes, so the body temperature also changes. So they are maintain the environmental body temperature. So they are called as conformers. They are called as conformers. See the flow chart. So they are the environmental temperature. Environmental temperature. So they are the body temperature. body temperature. So the environmental temperature is increases, so the body temperature also increase. So the this is like, so the environmental temperature is increased, so the body temperature also increases. So they are called as conformers. So they are the conformers. So the environmental temperature is increases, so the body temperature also increases. Next one, regulators. Second one, regulators. Second one, regulators. So the regulators means, so they are the maintain the constant body temperature. Maintain the constant body temperature. So the environmental temperature 20 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade. So the, for example, human being. So the human being body temperature 37 degrees centigrade. Human being body temperature 37 degrees centigrade. For example, this time winter season. So the winter season present environmental temperature 18 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. But the human body temperature 37 degrees centigrade. So the environmental temperature 20 degrees centigrade, but human body temperature 30 degrees centigrade, 37 degrees centigrade. So they are maintain the constant body temperature. So they are called as regulators. They are called as regulators. Regulator means they are maintain the constant body temperature. So the environmental changes either increase, either decrease, but the body temperature is constant. So they are called as regulators. It's called as regulators. So these are the regulators. They are called as regulators. Next one, third one, the partial regulators. Third one, partial regulators. So the partial regulator means one range of the temperature. For example, so these are the one animal, one organism. So these certain temperature, for example, just 10 degrees centigrade level. So these, they are the up to 10 degrees centigrade, the environmental temperature, for example, environmental temperature 9 degrees centigrade. So the body temperature 9 degrees centigrade. Environmental 8 degrees centigrade. So body temperature 8 degrees centigrade. So they are the 7 degrees centigrade. 7 degrees centigrade. So the environmental temperature just 12 degrees centigrade. Environmental temperature 12 degrees centigrade. But this body temperature only 10 degrees centigrade. Environmental temperature 15 degrees centigrade. But body temperature 10 degrees centigrade. So the one level. So they are the certain level. So they are increasing, decreasing, decreasing. After maximum level increasing, there is no changes. So they are called as partial regulators. So they are called as partial regulators. So this level constant. So in this level, so this level, for example, so they are the 10 degrees centigrade. So environmental 10 degrees centigrade, body temperature 10 degrees centigrade, 6 degrees centigrade, 6 degrees centigrade, 4 degrees centigrade, 4 degrees centigrade. After the environmental 20 degrees centigrade, but this temperature only 10 degrees centigrade. Only particular regions, the one level of the temperature increases, decreases. After maximum level, so there is no changes. So they are called as partial regulators. Partial regulators. Partial regulators. So they are the conformers, regulators, partial regulators. Conformers, regulators, partial regulators. Conformer means, so the environment maintain the equal to the environmental temperature 22, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 15, 15. So the environmental temperature is equal to the body temperature. So they are called as conformers. So the regulators means, so they are maintain the constant body temperature. So the environmental temperature either increase, either decrease, but body temperature is constant. So they are called as regulators. A partial regulator means certain temperatures, so they are increase, decrease. After the maximum level, the temperature increase, but they are maintain the maximum temperature. So they are the regulators, conformers and partial regulators. Next one, migration. Next one, migration. Next one, fourth one, migration. So the migration means, so the unfavorable conditions. For example, the birds to the migrates. So the unfavorable conditions present in this area, unfavorable conditions. So they are living unfavorable conditions. So the birds moving to the another places. So the after the comfort zone, so the hospitability areas after the comfort zone, they are coming to the own places. So they are called as migration. Migration means unfavorable conditions. These are unfavorable condition means, for example, at summertime temperature more increases. So the birds migrate to the cool areas. Migrates to the cool areas. After the rainy season, so they are come to the own places. So they are called as migrations. So the unfavorable conditions, these birds migrate from the one place to another place. So they are the one of the temperature adaptations. So in this area temperature more increases. So they are move to the migrate to the cool areas. So they are the migration. Next one, suspend life activities. Suspend life activities. So the suspend life activities means, so the animals unfavorable conditions. So the animals, the living place unfavorable conditions. So the unfavorable conditions time, the life activities is stopping. The life activities stopping. So after favorable conditions, the activity is starting. So they are called as suspend life activities. Example, hibernation and estivation. Hibernation and estivation. So the hibernation means winter sleeping. Hibernation means winter sleeping. So the winter sleeping means, so the winter season more cool, like temperature decreases. So they are cool. So that time, so they are the hibernation. So they are called as hibernation. Next one, estivation. So the estivation means summertime, summer sleeping. Estivation means summer sleeping. So the summertime, so the temperature is unfavorable condition. So they are the sleeping. So they are called as estivation and hibernation. Next, last one, diapause. Next one, diapause. So the diapause means, so the environmental temperatures. So like environmental, so the unfavorable conditions, environmental, so unfavorable conditions, so they are the stopping the life activities, stopping the life activities. After next they are favorable conditions, they are starting the life activities. So they are called as diapause, pause. So pause, for example, you see the MX Player videos, so the any work, pause the video, next in favorable conditions, so start the video. Like this, so the organisms unfavorable condition times, organisms unfavorable conditions time, these life activities stop, like pause, the life activities pausing. After favorable conditions, the life activities starting. So they are the temperature adaptations in animals, behavioral adaptations, morphological and anatomical adaptations, and physiological adaptations.